I'm Professor Christophe Cognard, the Chief of the Department of Neuroradiology in Toulouse. I present you Professor Bonafé from Montpellier. Professor Bonafé, you just present us the result of a new randomized study in a session dedicated to optimizing the intracranial aneurysm treatment. So first, can you tell me why we should improve the intracranial aneurysm treatment?
Today, the endovascular treatment of intracranial aneurysm is impaired by the major recurrence and retreatment that is about 10 to 20%. It depends on the study. And this is the major reason why we have to develop new technology or new device to treat those patients.
What is new in this new coil, and what is the design of this new coil?
This coil is an hydrogel coil, so it incorporates a filament of hydrogel, and the hydrogel will increase in size when it is in the aneurysm sac, and it will bring a better occlusion rate of the aneurysm.
So to show that this new device is better than the coils we usually use, you design a new randomized study. Can you tell us a bit about the design of this study?
The GRID was a randomized control trial initiated by German and French Neurological Society, and in order to improve or to investigate if hydrogel coils, second generation hydrogel coils, were beneficial in terms of outcomes for patients compared to bare coils. In this trial, more than 500 patients were included, and the groups were well balanced with ruptured and unruptured aneurysm, with all the aneurysms that were incorporated in the study were medium-sized aneurysm ranging from 4 mm to 12 mm.
Okay, which represent the vast majority of the aneurysm we treat.
Exactly.
And so what was the primary endpoint of the study?
The primary endpoint is a complex one, incorporating 4 elements. The first one is the major recurrence on the 18 months control angiogram. The second one is the retreatment during the follow-up period of 18 months. And the other one are clinical elements, morbidity and mortality, of course, that preclude angiographic control.
What were the results of this study?
This study shows an absolute reduction in the adverse composite outcome when the hydrogel coil is used compared to the bare coils. And this absolute reduction is about 8.4%.
Which is really significant.
Absolutely.
Okay. So it has been shown now that these new hydro coils give a better long-term follow-up, less need to retreat, and the safety as well was the same in both groups.
The safety was very similar in both groups, and there was no difference in safety and mortality on the morbidity and mortality in these 2 groups. And what we have seen comparing the acute result and the long-term result at 18 months is that in the group of a patient treated with hydrogel, we have an increase in progressive thrombosis, intrasaccular progressive thrombosis, and this did not occur in the bare platinum group.
So the study has really shown that these new coils afford a better long-term result, less need for retreat. Should we change our practice right now and mainly use those coils because of those results?
According to this result, I think we should consider the treating patient with a medium-sized aneurysm with hydrocoils. As you said, the long-term results are better and the durability of the treatment looks better than the one we obtained with bare coils.
Very interesting. And so should we change our practice after just one randomized study, or will there be another one?
I think you are right. You may have some concern about only one study, but there are two more studies running, ongoing right now. The EAT study and the hybrid study. The EAT study is in the US, and the hybrid study has been conducted in Japan. Both studies will be terminated this year, and we are waiting for the results of those studies.
Okay, thank you very much, Alain, for those very important results. So I think it's very important to have a randomized study in our field showing that a new device is better than a previous one, and in order to change our practice. So we are waiting for the result of the two next randomized trials, and probably we'll change our practice later. Thank you very much, Alain.
Thank you, Christophe.